This quick video is about how to see your app ratings and reviews on iPhone and iPads. Okay, let's see that. First open App Store. Then click here. Now tap Personalized Recommendations. Now you can see this option Ratings and Reviews. Open that. Now refresh here. Yeah. Now you can see all your apps ratings and reviews on your iPhone and iPad. And if you want to know more tips and tricks quick videos about iPhone means, watch this playlist. I hope this video helps. If it really helps means leave a like and share this video with your friends and neighbors. Thanks for watching.